If you think your GPS is bad, look at the giraffe. To connect the brain to the voice box, this nerve should only be 2 inches long. But instead, it travels all the way down the neck, loops around the heart, and then climbs all the way back up to where it started. That's a 15-foot detour. We have this too, but in humans, it's just a minor oops. In a giraffe, it's an engineering nightmare. Why? Because evolution doesn't have a delete button. It doesn't plan for the future. It just patches what's already there.